Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Average adventure by Kids Chaos, control, calculated, designed for one single use to finish. Meet all new Yezdi adventure. On the first look, Yezdi adventure looks aggressive. The rally style beak tells the bike can handle all types of terrain. You get the iconic tank inspired by brand's legacy. Comes with segments first LED headlamps and tail lamps to set a new benchmark of style. It comes with upgraded seats, offers better grip and support on long rides. Tall adjustable visor protect you from strong winds. Comes with adjustable console with Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and also comes with Type-C charging ports. Yezdi Adventure exceeds expectation. We get dual channel ABS, traction control and 3 modes. It gets traction control, 3 switchable modes: road, rain and off-road. Braking comes with precision with 21 inches of spoke wheels with 320 of disc of bribery brakes. 17 inches of spokes wheel with bribery brakes and 240 of disc in back. Comes with 220 of ground clearance and 815 of seat height. Power of this beast is 334cc liquid cooled Alpha 2 engine with 29.6 PS and 29.9 Newton meter of torque. Let's see how it sounds. Comes in 6 colorways: forest green, ocean blue, desert khaki, tornado black, glacier white and wolf grey. The price range starts from 2,17,000 to 2,30,000 rupees, depends on the city.